The sheer audacity. I heckin' love this though. And I can really appreciate it in like the green, teal, blue color. For sure, because I like it. I like that color a lot more than just like white. I like it. Nicely done. I can't wait to see it done. I cannot wait to see it done. Ithaca! Your design so far, you'll probably be adding detail as you go through the prototyping steps listed on the sticky note. Ooh. Let me get this to fit. And let me make your shaft fit, Ithaca. Because your shaft was large already. Got a pile of wool to use. I love that. I love that. Ooh, integrated rolling mat. Dice holder with integrated rolling mat. Subassembly. Dice holder, overall length 10 inches, intentional diameter 1. Wow. And detail, old. Oh, nice. 2-ply end cap with logo on initials. This is heckin' cool. Got a large shaft. It's a very cool large shaft. It's a very nice shaft. I really like that. So this is it cut 14 by 10.5 part. Wow. I love how much planning you put into things. As someone who is terrible at planning things, I love how much planning is actually put into this. There's a reason why I knit things and I don't build things. Although I guess you could say just as much planning goes into some crazy knit projects that I do. Still. This is fantastic. And you shared the daily mojito and also your outfit. Lurk while you try to get your package. You better go get your package. Is this stitching going to go up the entire way on the outside? I can do with some stitching. I love some stitching like that. Okay. That is the last of the purple. You've been disorganized, not arting lately, so you're trying to change both of those. I can appreciate that for you. I can appreciate that for you. It is good to get into arting, and it's good to be somewhat organized. For sure. I love it. And I feel like with something like this, you kind of have to have, you know, a, like, design, a plan in mind. Here's where we are on the sleeve. The purple color is fantastic. I'm hoping I got the TM. Ooh, have a good lurk, Firefist. Enjoy your lurk in the bathroom. I appreciate you for lurking with me. Let me see. Ooh, example provided by client will be custom commissioned for a leather dice holder with integrated rolling mat to feature carved insignias from Avatar: The Last Airbender. Ah, for use in an RPG. Ah, so cool. Look at this. Look at this. Ah, this is fabulous. This is gonna be so cool. This is gonna be so cool. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see this. That is so cool. That is fabulous. Not very familiar with how much space dice take up. I don't think I have my dice bag anywhere neareth me. But I have about 10 sets in a bag that's like, yay. Yay big. Which you have no context for. So, my bag is probably like a 5x3 drawstring bag. 5x3, 5x4, 6x4, 6x4. Ooh, plumbing emergency. I am sorry to hear that, Zay. That is heckin' not good. Also, if you would heckin', I'm gonna wait for Hefty to get back because we have a cat. We have Hefty's cat to show for everyone to see. The cutest cat, other than, you know, all the other cats that I say are cute. This is basically my problem, is that I will tell you that all of the cats are cute. Do not judge me. They are all very cute, and I must appreciate them all. I am still here. I stream until about 10. Most days, from 6:30 to 10 a.m. my time. I stream a lot, which is kind of what I was telling you in your stream yesterday, Kim, is that when you were just like, wow, it's been this long. Like, I didn't realize it's been this long. Yeah, this is how it is for me. Are you prepared to see the cutest cat? Look at this cat. This is a cute cat. It kind of is 100% that way, is that you start streaming and you don't feel like you've been streaming for very long. This is a very cute cat. Science, I see you putting me in a hot tub.